Looking for cute Valentine gnomes for Procreate? Look no further. In this video, I'm gonna give you an overview of my Valentine Gnome Set for Procreate. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prince Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. I'm pleased to introduce you to the Valentine Gnome Set for Procreate. The set contains 50 amazing and cute Valentine Gnome stamps, specially curated for this love season. Let me give you an overview of the stamps that you will get. Let's open the Procreate app. So the Gnome Valentine's stamp set for Procreate comes with 15 amazing stamps. And I'm gonna give you an overview of the stamps that you will get with this set. So on a new layer, on a new canvas, I'm gonna show you the stamps that you'll get. So 50 stamps. Like this one, like this one. All of them are outlined so you can fill the inside and use for any of your projects, even stickers if you made a couple of changes. And so many cool, oops. And the list goes on. This one is quite cool, like this one, and so many gnomes that you can use for any of your projects. And like this one for this Valentine, this love season. And yeah, this is a quick overview of the gnomes. So here you can increase, decrease the size of the stamp as well as the opacity. And with this product, you will have access also to a PDF file with a couple of tutorials, Procreate tutorials to get you started, to get your creativity and your juices started. To give your creativity a boost, I have created the Valentine Gnomes series for Procreate, where I share some cool tutorials with tips and tricks to get you started. With this product, you will get access to 15 amazing stamps, as well as a PDF file with the links of the tutorials of the Valentine Gnomes series for Procreate. Or you can subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be notified when the tutorials are uploaded. In these tutorials, you will learn how to make a neon effect with your Valentine Gnome stamp, how to make sticker designs on Procreate, how to make a cool and retro background also with the Procreate app. As a bonus, I am sharing a free Valentine Gnome stamp from the set for you to give it a go. A link to access it is in the description below. Now, question, I'm curious, what would you create first with this cute Valentine Gnome stand for Procreate? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.